how to speed up audio on Messenger. So if you want to speed up an audio on your Messenger application, then you need to simply first open up your Messenger. And once you open your Messenger, simply choose a chat that you would like to speed up the audio. I've chosen this chat. So once you've chosen the chat, here you will have your video or your audio, right? So if you want to speed up your audio, then what you can do is simply start the audio. So here you will have your audio, right? So if you want to speed up the audio, then here on the bottom you will have 1x. If you tap on that, you will get 1.5x, and then if you again tap on that, then you will get 2x. So to speed up the video, you need to simply tap on the options which is available on the bottom. So that's how you speed up your audio on your Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.